Hello guys, this is Raj. So today I want to talk about something interesting called Kaggle X BIPOC mentorship program. So what is Kaggle X? So we all, I guess you guys know, like in data science, Kaggle is like one of the biggest open source competition platform where a lot of events are held for academic and research purposes. There's a lot of data sets that are created and hosted by companies, research organizations, universities. And just a minute. Yeah, Steam is fine. And perfect. Yeah. So, they conduct every year something called Kaggle X BIPOC mentorship. So I applied for this year's cohort. This Kaggle X program was started in 2021. So it's quite new, I guess. So last couple of years, so they have created this code, I guess, twice now, and this is the third one. And they have 82 plus mentors joined so far, and then almost 194 students graduated or mentees, and more than 15 plus countries, students from all over the world have participated in it. So what is BIPOC means? BIPOC means Black, Indigenous, People of Color. So those people in the data science industry, to help them grow and give them some career opportunities, and then through yeah, this helps like early stage Kagglers with senior level mentors. So basically anyone who is new to programming can be introduced, can apply for this program. And also there's a list of countries from which you can participate. Yeah, you can see here the mentee eligibility. So if you see countries from Australia, Austria, Brazil, Canada, Croatia, and so on and so forth, and then India as well. So since I'm from India, I've applied here, and the entire program duration is like 15 weeks. And yeah, and the person who is applying should have less experience than 8 years in data science. So yeah, and they can identify themselves as Black, Indigenous, or person of color. Okay, so and somewhat interested are in the field of data science. And also from the video that has been posted here, I also heard that the people from different backgrounds join here, people who are switching careers into data science, like maybe from medicine. In my case, I'm studying medicine and then trying to do this. Even though I have an AI degree, I still wanted to do it because I program these days more than ever. I program and still study so medicine. So yeah, I can imagine why so many people would like to learn AI. So, and with their large language model boom, the chat GPTs and other big language models that are out there, and then the hype behind it, a lot of people wants to do data science courses these days and have a career in that direction. So I wouldn't blame them. So I got an email from them saying that they got more than 4,000 applicants this time, and then they chose around 400 500 candidates. And yeah, so what else is there? And then we can also apply for mentor eligibility, to help people who join this Kaggle X program as mentee. You can mentor them, provided you have enough experience in data science, leading projects, so on, some kind of a lead role in a data science company, preferably, I guess, or maybe in the teaching profession, I guess. And your provision in languages like R and Python. And yeah, and also this is like a long course, like 15 weeks. So yeah, it's going to be a long ride. So what can you expect from this program is basically, the mentees are handpicked for you. Sorry, the mentors are handpicked for the mentee, and then they both talk to each other and come up with a plan of what to do. Let's say creating an NLP chatbot for a healthcare space, or maybe in a computer vision space for self-driving cars. So it can be anything. They have multiple areas of, they can have multiple areas of interest. I can show you the project cohort 1 and 2 projects, what they have done. See, you can see natural language recommender system, exploratory analysis, tabular data, image data, computer vision, text classification, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of categories out there, so you can choose, pick from any of those things. So now the mentee eligibility application deadline is over, and then it's closed at this point. So the cohort starts exactly at August 8th, and then the duration is between August and November. So okay, yeah. So I have my summer vacation anywhere between July till September. So October is where my medical school starts. So I need to make the most out of August and September, I guess. So yeah. So that is it, I guess. Kaggle X program. So I'm so excited actually. So my plan, what is my plan with Kaggle X is like, I have like a decent experience in programming at this point. I have been in lead roles a couple of times, and also I have co-founded my own startups, and I do the AI part completely, and lead AI teams. So I can program decently enough at this point in computer vision and natural language programming. So my plan is to not just program AI this time, to learn something new. So I came up with the idea of learning how to do ML ops, how you put models in deployment, and how you create a pipeline where you can always send data. I can share my screens. ML, I can show you. Yeah, so let me, yeah, so in a nutshell you can say it this way, like machine learning is the pure programming side of things, and then the development, maybe putting it in a full stack wrapper and then hosting it somewhere, and then the traditional IT operations like bug fixes, fine tuning, getting new data and training the model. So MLOps lies in the middle, where you can manage the life cycle of an AI model when it's deployed, and you can manage it by adding, removing, tweaking it, and fine tuning it. So that's something I'm interested in. Hopefully I find a mentor who is expert in that, or preferably along those lines. And I also wrote to them that I would like to start a new company, a purely software, AI based software company, digitally, with the help of this Kaggle X program. They are also providing Google GCP credits as well, and whatever you need for development, they are trying to help you out. And there are also some grants there if you wanted these grant to do some stuff in terms of the development of the code, or collecting data set, or something of that sorts, I guess. So since the code hasn't started, I also do not know much. So my plan is to document the journey, how it goes. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys have any queries regarding the Kaggle X program. And